From nature to necessity, early insulation materials.
The previous user and access to or products in other cultures and other places. These resources, easily sourced and biodegradable, laid the foundation for future building techniques.
Industrial Revolution, the rise of mineral and synthetic insulation.
During the Industrial Revolution, new materials like mineral wool and asbestos dominated insulation. Mineral wool, made from molten rock or slag, offered improved fire resistance and thermal performance. Asbestos was valued for durability, though its health risks were not yet known. These innovations marked a shift toward engineered solutions, increasing building efficiency, but raising new environmental and safety concerns.
Post-war advances, fiberglass and foam boards.
In the mid-20th century, fiberglass and foam boards revolutionized insulation. Fiberglass provided lightweight, affordable, and effective thermal barriers, rapidly gaining popularity in residential and commercial construction. Rigid foam boards, such as polystyrene and polyurethane, further improved energy efficiency. These products became industry standards, although their reliance on non-renewable resources prompted a later search for greener alternatives.
Eco-friendly revolution, natural and recycled options.
Sustainability became a priority in recent decades, leading to eco-friendly insulation materials. Options like sheep's wool, cellulose from recycled newspapers, cork, and denim reduce environmental impact while offering comparable performance. These choices address concerns about resource depletion, toxicity, and waste, marking a significant step forward in environmentally conscious building practices.
High-tech insulation, aerogels, and phase change materials.
The latest advancements include high-performance solutions like aerogels and phase change materials. Aerogels, nicknamed frozen smoke, are lightweight with exceptional insulating power. Phase change materials absorb and release heat, helping stabilize indoor temperatures. These innovations push the boundaries of energy efficiency, showing the ongoing evolution of insulation towards smarter, more sustainable construction.